Arnett Gardens artiste with a big bounce from a new track. Hi, I'm Debbie. Teen dancers jerky moves hot on TikTok. And dirt bounce also a good look for what's on sale DJ Lali.
Dirt. Them deaf. I reached out to Frankie. I reached out to Miss Burke as well. I've reached out to a lot of people. Many didn't answer, but the ones who answer, believe me, you get me?
Lali, short and tally, Lali.
Lali with a quirky hit in 2018.
I started to make a lot more money using the name Lali.
So what's on sale, what's on sale?
Did song after what's on sale. So it's mostly school, music, sleep, me, enjoy myself, you get me?
Cornflakes and golden water. Cornflakes and
I'm travel the world with the one song, and people have 50 million songs didn't even impress the crowd like how I did.
Cranny, chef a big like a vampire.
Got everybody dancing, especially now.
Yeah, me clean, everybody know this. Who make a small man what this?
Thanks to a winning track inspired by a viral dance.
If you a girl, just smell and show you.
Tyreek the teen with the jerky moves.
Dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt.
I was dancing when I was young, but I stopped at a point.
Why?
Different things come in place,
Like what?
like football, a lot more stuff.
So how come you got back into the dancing thing?
It was until I heard a track that I liked, and I had a dance that I started doing it a long time, but I didn't recognize it like that. And when I did it and it went on a viral video, the impact was huge.
Do the dirt, the valley garden, I do the dirt. Then I'm done, don't stop dirt.
I don't know if it's the waist movement or I don't know, but everyone loves it.
Don't stop dirt. East side, I do the dirt. West side, I do.
How did you come up with the moves?
Well, it was one day I was dancing with one of my cousins, and from that day we had dance and I kick up the dirt, and them said dirt bounce. From that it was a hit.
Where you get your vibe?
From a community.
But I guess you're also listening to the music
Yeah, a
that
lot.
people play, and the music what makes you move in a certain way.
Yeah, the rhythm and the beat.
Everybody know this. Who make a small man worthless?
And not only crime, violence, you have a happy side to the ghetto. If you want a real vibe, a ghetto is the place, you get me? So my songs are the voice of the kids, them we just want to have fun, but because of the stigma we ghetto carry, we can't even say nothing.
When you say the voice of the ghetto and ghetto kids want to have fun, what you mean? That what kind of music drives kids in areas like jungle? What are they listening to? What are they vibes into?
We use some music based on how we feel. You will have a time when you come into tense, and you see a man that listen to some chronic law or some bad people song. Then you have a time when you come into happy, you see everybody a dance up to some potential kid or even some lolly, you get me?
You're on the happy side.
Yeah, I'm on the happy side. If everybody sing gun song, it don't make no sense. You listen to song based for your mood. My heart just broke. I'm want to listen to some love song. I type in. We just get a work because people never believe in them. We can listen to some other artists who are inspirational like some chronics. I go get my work now and I'm happy. We can listen to some Lali.
Dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya.
It has a bass that I like.
So when you're putting together that dance, what was the first move you came up with?
Well, it was the rock.
Show me that the rock.
It came like this. I did have the waist movement as it, but I discovered it.
Show us how you started.
It
and
started like this.
and then
the
go
waist
on now.
movement. And from there,
Some people have a kind of negative reaction to the dance, but you pay that much attention
not at all. Can't make them bother me.
because this is a good look for you right now.
Very good look.
Has Dirt Bounce put any money in your pocket?
From 2 months back till now, it has been doing that.
And that money is making a difference in your life?
A very big difference.
Run from police, I'm still do the dirt. Hide from soldier, I'm still do the dirt.
I'm still in jungle, you get me? Still live with my parents. Them.
And how is that?
It good enough. Sometimes I feel like you want to move out and then you go to Baman, stay away from the place for like 2 months and then your creativity just gone and you just feel dull. You lie to yourself. Most of we as people we do things to please other people. And even students, not for we go to college because our parents want a degree, not we. So you get me? So no people move out because them say, oh, them hear the saying say, ghetto means get out. The ghetto mean just stay by yourself and no fool your own and don't mix up.
So Dirt Bounce now.
I saw this video viral of a kid named Tyreek Dirt from Portmore. And I DM him and say, yo, I love that dance thing, I can build a song for it. And we build a song first, we build a song named Tippy Night first, and the dance just fit the song.
My mouth, it can't slip. My face,
Everybody thinks that, yo, I the dance that for the song. And then a couple weeks ago, we actually build the song for it and create the video, and it gone again.
Dirt, 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 everybody.
And people bash the dance, say it look feminist. And feminist and masculine, it doesn't matter because a song changed my life and the dance changed the look of youth life, you get me?
How are you going to push this song further to go further with this song?
And we have major things planned, man. Trust me, man. I work with a mastermind, you get me? So we have some things planned. We have some great things planned.
I hear some things are brewing and there might be an overseas connection.
Me hear it about you, them, until we say pen and paper, we can't follow. We just hear the good news. It come like the lotto. I take it to your dream. Me hear all the people say things and say things like that. You get me? So until that overseas contract or whatever comes at my feet, and I am just here having fun.
What they say about a lot of the new school DJs is that they can't perform. It's strictly people like Beanie Man who
No,
still
man, Beanie Man never they said it, man.
But
We have it.
you're a performer.
We have it, man. We have it like Beanie Man. Can we watch and we learn? You get me? Watch Beanie Man, watch Tiger, watch Shabba, watch Ninja Man. You get me? We're not ungrateful and say the old man them a dinosaur. If I never for them, we would there. So respect to every elder before me and every elder after me. You get me?
So you're getting some dubs now. What sort of interest is coming in?
Dubs, bookings, overseas bookings for the state. But as I say, I'm waiting on my work permit. So until then, I'm just here doing good music.
When you go abroad, you're going to milk it for all it's worth.
Everything. Mommy want house and daddy want car. You get me? And my little sister want a new iPhone.
So you're not taking the dancer too?
I'm after that. I'm right hand now. You get me? I'm after that. We're ready. We're just there and wait.
Them deaf.
You have more where Dirt Bounce came from?
Yeah, lot more to come.
You have more moves? You're a natural dancer? Or
Something
you have
like
to?
that.
Or it's hard work for you?
Not very hard, but I'm getting there.
What's your next dance going to look like? Give us a preview.
Something like that.
You have to put in some of the waist move though, because
Yeah,
it's
man.
what everybody wants to see. But that's just the beginning.
Yeah.
Dirt.
I want to be a household fun name. My mother is a vendor downtown and all years of my life, my sister sell. It just make me, my brother and my sister happy. So me have to finally give she something as well, you get me?
Big family of dirt, ayy. Over new land, I do the dirt. Rockfort, do the dirt. Jungle, do the dirt. The Valley Garden, I do the dirt. Then I'm done, don't stop dirt.